Hi, welcome back to Rental Academy. My name is Juuso, and today we'll be taking a look at the maintenance times block. Maintenance times allows you to automatically reserve some time for maintenance after each booking. During this time, the product will not be available for other bookings, which ensures that your employees will have enough time to check the condition of the product and prepare it for the next customer. To start using maintenance times, head over to the main menu and hit Blocks. Here, select Maintenance Time and Install. To set up maintenance time for a product, open the Product Settings, head over to the Settings tab, and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, under Miscellaneous Settings, you'll find Maintenance Time. Just define the amount of minutes, hours, or days that you want maintenance time for this product to be. Hit Save, and you're done. And that's how you set up maintenance times. Hope you found this helpful. If you haven't yet, visit rentle.io to create your free store, and don't forget to check out our other Rental Academy video guides to get started setting up your online store. Thanks for tagging along, and see you in the next video.